How to add the Ring app to Apple Watch. So it's important to put in mind that you cannot install a full Ring app directly on the Apple Watch because Ring does not currently offer an official standalone Apple Watch app. But what you can do is to make Ring alerts from your iPhone appear on your Apple Watch through notification mirroring. So what you're going to do is to install Ring on your iPhone. Just go ahead and do that process, and you can open the App Store on your iPhone, search Ring, and then Always Home. Then just go ahead and install it. Sign into your Ring account, and then that's pretty much it for that step. The second step is to turn on Ring notifications on your iPhone. So go ahead into your iPhone settings, go to notifications, and into Ring. Then enable allow notification, and make sure lock screen notification center and banners are allowed. And then you're gonna have to enable Ring alerts in the Ring app. Open the Ring app, select your doorbell or camera, then turn on the alerts or motion alerts so that you can actually get these notifications. And then on your iPhone, go ahead into your watch app and then just go ahead, scroll to Ring, then turn on mirror iPhone alerts from Ring. And that's pretty much it. You can test the alert, press the Ring doorbell or trigger motion in front of the camera, and if your iPhone is locked and your Apple Watch is on your wrist, the Ring notification should appear on the watch. So hopefully this option or process does help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.